feeling, no. I ain't gonna give up, got too little time.
Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to make easy one implant surgical guide. And I know that this program Blue Sky Blue 4.11 is one of the simplest, most simple, not simplest, the most simple one, and you can use it effortlessly. For this video I'm going to use the wizard. So you have step-by-step progress and easy to design surgical guide. So we have surgical guide in few minutes. Okay, first of all, we import our CBCT and the scan from intraoral scanner, and the AI works pretty well. This kind of AI is sometimes scary, sometimes helpful, but I hope they are not going to substitute the human. Okay, let's go to how to make surgical guide. We choose the tools that we should substitute. In this case, number 26. We put the tools in proper place. We check the placement, check the position, and when we are happy with the position of the tools, we are going to put the implants and check whether the implant is along with the tooth or not. Okay, we have different kind of operators like rotator or moving one, and we can use this kind of operators to put the tooth in properly. As you can see, in case that we are going to use implant based on just tooth position, it's gonna perforate the buccal corridor. So maybe we need to have a different position for implant because of the rotation or because of other difference in actual bone position and the one that it should have. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to put my implant in proper position, and as you can see, the implant axis and tooth have a little bit angle. Maybe we should go for 25-degree angulated abutments, but it's still a good implant. And of course, as you can see, we need a closed sinus lift. Okay, right now we are going to define where the surgical guide should be. And yes, this is a good curve. And as you can see, we use 3 tooths in front and 2 tooths in back. Some says not to go on soft tissue. I'm kind of agreed, but in case that I'm not using soft tissue, this guard will be so fragile. So I use a little bit, not for having support from soft tissue, just for having enough strength. Okay, now I'm going to save my data, and of course we have approval that you can send it for the in case that you are left for the doctor, or in case that you need to inform your patient what's going on, you can send it to your patient, and it's comes in PDF. As you can see, our design is done in a minute, and we have a good report that show how much the bone we have and how much the angulations are and what we have. And of course, we could use it for different kind of implant and different kind of surgery. Thank you, anyone.